A lot of people ask me, like, what can I do if I want to become successful? Well, I tell them you need to make a lot of mistakes. Now they say, what do you mean about that? Like, how I'm going to make a lot of mistakes? I say, you need to try to do a lot of things, brother. You need to try to do new things, brother. Yeah. And they say, no, how can I do new things? I say, there can't be failure if there is not something that you haven't tried to do, or something which is hard. For it to be failure, it means something is hard. And I try to tell a lot of people that, how can you know that this is a mistake? It means you have done it. So for instance, I want to start a business. I don't know how the business works. So if I want to know how the business works, and maybe no one have ever done that business before, but I want to do it because I know that this is the only way that I'm going to become a billionaire, or the way that I'm going to use to become a millionaire or billionaire. For instance, I want to write a book. Understand? Like, I haven't wrote before. So I'm not just going to start writing and it become perfect. No. There's a lot of people who failed, but they succeeded. Why? Because they was learning from the mistakes that they was doing. And I tell a lot of people that the only thing that will make you successful is failures, mistakes. You need to make a lot of mistakes. Why? Because you haven't done something that you are doing, and you are figuring out, how can I do it? If you make a mistake, you pray, okay, this is the mistake. I'm not going to repeat this mistake. There is one quote which said it best, that making something long for the first time, it's not a mistake. But making something wrong and wrong and wrong again without having a willingness to learn from it and change, that's a mistake. So you need to understand one thing, that if you are doing something and you are making a mistake over and over and over again, that's a mistake. But if I just make a first mistake, like for example, I don't know how to explain. I've started app development. I want to build an app. Then I just start building an app. Then I start figuring, okay, I don't know how to build an app. I haven't done before. So I can't just say, no, I'm not going to fail. No, I'm going to fail. Why? Because I haven't done it before. So when I fail or I make a mistake, then I'm going to know, oh, this is a mistake. But so I'm just going to change this way. I'm going to do this, because when I do this, I'm going to get the same results. You understand? So for you to know that this is a mistake, you need to do it. So expect this. Everyone you see, millionaires, billionaires, everyone who is successful, they have a lot of failures. If you look at Elon Musk, if you look Bill Gates, if you look about Mark Zuckerberg, Andrew Tate, Luke Belmer, all these started from scratch and they made a lot of mistakes. You can just go and say, brother. Even Mark Zuckerberg said himself that it's not only Facebook we did build before. We did build games, we did build a lot of application, this small, a lot of application. They just didn't build Facebook, boom, and successful already. No. If you look about Andrew Tate, he just didn't start from millions of dollars. No, he just started from scratch, from single mother, and everybody just made it. Why? Because he was starting from scratch and he made a lot of mistakes and he learned from it. He was a kickboxing championship and he did everything. He lost before and he did everything until he succeeded. Why? Because he was learning from the mistakes that he was doing. So you need to understand one thing, that if you want to become successful, it's simple here. You just need to be doing things. Because I see a lot of people, because the reason why I'm saying this, I see a lot of people, they start, like, if you're doing something and then you ask them, like, brother, why not do this? Like, let's say I'm just going to do copywriting, or I'm just maybe do like app development. So like, why not doing that thing? And they say, brother, what if I fail? What if you fail? If you fail, are you going to stop, or are you going to learn from the mistake and then you do it other way, then you succeed? You see, it's simple and straightforward. So a lot of people, the reason why, you guys know what to do. I know what to do. We know what to do. Me and my brother know what to do. We need to be shooting a video. No, maybe what if I make a mistake? Maybe what if I do this? Maybe I don't know. What if I don't know? I don't have this to say. I don't know this. I don't know, brother. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. This, you don't need to start saying that. It's just my brother. You just need to be doing things. You understand? Because if you fail, then you have a mistake. Oh, this is a mistake. How are you going to know it's a mistake? You're wasting time, because you right now you would have failed already a lot of times, and you have learned a lot of mistakes, and you have experienced and you have made it. So it's simple and straightforward. So I see a lot of people, they don't want to do things because they just know that they are going to fail. Exactly. I failed now. Okay, what are the things that I need to do? Okay, I need to be doing this. Okay, so I was building an app, so I just made this. Okay, I just put this code on this. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to change the doings that I was doing so that I can get the new results. It's simple and straightforward. If you learn the mistakes, then you're going to be successful. That's what a lot of millionaires and billionaires are right now. They have learned a lot of mistakes from them, the failures that they was having. This is what they have caused them to become successful. So one thing you need to learn, brother, it's simple and straightforward. If you want to become successful, if you want to become millionaire, billionaire, if you want to become all over, just want to be traveling the world, anyway, that you want to become successful, because I can't tell you that no, you need to be doing this, then you can become successful, or maybe when you have this, then you are successful. No. Any dream that you have, if you want to achieve that dream, you need to start taking action. You make mistake, you fail, you go up. You make mistake, you fail, you go up. You learn from the mistake, you change, brother, and you succeed. It's simple and straightforward, brother.
Yeah, failure is the best thing someone can go through in order for him or her to become successful. I've seen a lot of people say, oh, I can't start this business, I can't start a YouTube channel, I can't start this one, what if I fail? Fail, brother. Are you just preparing to fail? Because if you are not trying, you're just even preparing to fail. But if you start, you're preparing to become successful. So if you want to become successful, a lot of people who are successful right now, they failed many times. If you fail, failure, fear, and these other things, failing to do, is the best thing someone can go through in order for him to become successful. Because if you want to become successful, brother, you have to fail many times. Me and my brother were failed before. We started planning to do something and we failed. It didn't work out. So I said, oh yeah, brother, this is the mistake, we need to learn from it, because we are failed now. Yeah, it's good. And you can't do anything in order to prevent it. So you need to fail as many times for you to become successful. Failure is the best thing someone can go through in order for him to become successful. A lot of people who are successful, if you see a lot of people who have become successful, have failed a lot of time. Let me tell you something. If you fail, it doesn't mean you are a failure or you can't do it. No, but it means you will become the best in what you failed. You will do it. I've seen a lot of people who have failed. Andrew Tate has lost many times, but he's 4-time world champion kickboxing. Why? Because of he didn't stop. He failed and he get up. He failed and he get up. I've seen a lot of people say, oh bro, I failed. Oh, how can I continue doing it? Bro, are you just asking to just lose in this world? If you don't want to lose, bro, you just need to fail and get up. Fail and get up. There is no one in the face of the planet who has failed and not even get up. There is no one in the face of the planet who have become successful without failure. So failure are the best thing someone can go through in order for him to become successful. If you want to become successful, you need to fail as many times. A lot of people fail, but they don't just say, oh, I failed, now I will stop. No, you need just to continue doing it. You fail and you get up. You fail and you get up. That's the only way you will become successful. That's the only way you will make it to the end, because this modern world is ultimately competitive. You fail, you stop. Someone has failed and has continued doing it again. You will lose, brother, because never give up is the only answer, the only solution. Me and my brother have failed a lot of time, but never give up is the only food we eat. We fail and we say, bro, never give up. We are going to do it again. If you fail, learn from the mistake. Okay, I need to do this and I need to change. And if you fail again, learn from it and change it. People say failure is the best thing someone can go through to become successful. It's true. Because if you fail, you are learning from it. No one in the face of the planet has become successful without failures. No one. You can ask anyone. Elon Musk, Andrew Tate, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. Anyone has failed in this world and they have gotten up and become the man they were supposed to be. So if you fail, then good. You become successful, brother man. You become successful. So if you fail, don't say, no, I failed. I don't need to do it again. No, brother. Me and my brother have uploaded a lot of videos on this channel, but you are just having 0 views, brother. 0 views. Not anyone who have viewed our video before. No, brother. 0 views. No one. We have failed. We have failed. We have failed. We upload in months and months and months and months. But we have continued doing it. We have continued uploading videos because we know we can't just become the greatest. We can't just become the best without failing. No. So for us to become successful, in order for us to achieve all our goals, we need to fail as many times. So we don't care, me and my brother, if we fail. We don't care if this channel continue having 0 views. We don't care if this channel continue having 0 subscribers. But we'll never give up. Never give up is the only answer. Never give up is the only solution for all these things you are facing. So if you want to become the best, if you want to become perfect, if you want to become successful, if you want to become millionaire in future, bro, because I know you are all going to make it if you just change your mindset, and you need to develop some new other things in your life that you have not developed. You're going to be successful, brother, if you just change your mindset and just start viewing things as the world is changing every day. You become successful, brother. You become successful. So if you fail, doesn't mean you can't start again. So if you have failed before, brother, you have failed, you want to give up, never give up, bro. Never give up is the only answer. Just do this, bro. You appreciate me later, you thank me later, because I know, I'm telling you this, if you fail, then that should motivate you. If you fail, that should motivate you. I'm moving, I'm doing my best. Become successful. Don't care, brother, if you fail. You'll become successful, you'll become rich. And if you are new to this channel, you just found this channel, you just found this video, if you want to see that everything is possible, and if you fail, then that should motivate you that you make it and become successful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and you'll see our life, bro. You'll see that everything is possible. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you very much. See you next time.
See you guys. Peace.